Okay.
Alrighty. First thing we want to do is go to YouTube. On mine, I have the icon. So I hit the icon. I'm at YouTube. Right down here, this circle with the plus in it, I hit that, and it shows all the videos I made, and it also shows pictures if I was to scroll. This is the video I just made for my sister Carol. I'm gonna pop on that, and here we go. This video for my sister Carol to explain to her or try and help her so she can make a video on YouTube as well. So here we go. We're gonna try this. All right, we're gonna hit next. Alrighty. All right, and we're gonna hit next again. And there we go. Caption your short. Okay. And next, if I want, go right down here. Visibility, public location, all that is set up. We're going to hit next. And it's uploading. And that's all there is to it. Now it's going to take a few minutes for it to upload. And when it's done, it'll let you know. That's it.
Stop.
Yep.